Hello all friends, today I'm going to show you, I'm Nessie and I'm working online since 2015 and this is the best opportunity that I found until now. Let me show you how you can make, how I made $1,655 from OLSP system. Okay, thank you for tuning in and let me show you my back office. Right now I have $240, $340 in my balance, and my total earnings from OLSP are $1,655. Now I can withdraw $246 right now, and to show you that this platform is very legit and you can see the commissions, my last commissions over here in the list. And you can see, to show you that it's legit and paying and transparent and trusted, you can see all the payments that I got from OLSP: $120, $261, $419, and my last one, $513 through wire transfer. Okay, your withdrawal request $1,315. Now, the reason why you should join OLSP, if you tried affiliate marketing and you didn't succeed until now, OLSP is the best, because one reason, the community and the training, it's awesome. So if you join now, if you join me, you will find the link under this video. It's only $7, guys, only $7 to start this amazing business, and just the training itself was much more than $7. So when you join, you will find your it's a very simple system. You purchase the mega link with $7 and you promote it all over. Now I'm going to show you, and you got all the, once you sign up and purchase, you will find all the trainings over here. You scroll down and you find the training, and the most important trainings are the Common Dominator Pro, watch it from the 8th minute, and the Megalink Fast Start Pack, and very important, the most important training in OLSP is the Facebook one on 101. Watch these trainings because, and the Megalink of course. Okay, so watch all these 4 trainings, videos, and you can succeed with it. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you how I'm getting leads, how I'm getting traffic, and how I'm making the sales. Okay, so Facebook, so I'm using three traffic sources to make commissions every day in OLSP. The first one, guys, is Facebook. Facebook is very powerful, and around 80% of my leads and commissions came from Facebook. And I'm doing a lot of activities on a daily basis on Facebook, like, you know, Facebook Lives, you know, I promote it in Facebook group and on my feed, and that's basically what you need to do. And everything I don't pay for ads, I don't pay for Facebook ads, and everything is organically. I'm doing everything organically. And the second method, so I said around 80% of my leads came from Facebook. Around I would say 10 to 15% from YouTube. YouTube is very powerful for getting leads. Yes, it takes time to create the content and to make the videos, of course, but you know, in life you need to invest time and money to get the results, right? So around 10% or 15% of my leads came from YouTube, and around 5%, I have a small email list, so around 5% came from my email list. So to conclude everything, so my best traffic sources are Facebook, YouTube, and email list. And every person that join me even if they don't upgrade in the beginning, I send them opening a message through my Gmail. I send them an email to congratulate them when they join me. Okay, so this is what you get from me, guys. When you join me in OLSP, you will find the link under this video. You sign up and you go through the training. You get a lot of trainings over here, amazing training, and we have amazing Facebook group, huge Facebook group to support you. The best part in OLSP is the community. Our Facebook group are amazing and powerful and give you so much support and encouragement. So you can't fail. Honestly, you can't fail with this platform unless you don't work at all. If you want to succeed with OLSP, you need to put, in my opinion, and this is my advice, you need to put at least 2 hours per day if you want to see good results. And so this is what you get from me. Not only you get all the training, I will help you to get your first. Contact me through Facebook. I will leave my Facebook address under this video, so you can contact me through Facebook and I will help you. And you get a training video. You can get whatever you want. Zoom calls with me to coach you for free. You don't need to pay me for the Zoom calls. Everything is included if you join me. You get a Zoom calls. I help you to close your first 2 customers, and I'm willing to go through your Facebook profile to see if everything is cool and everything is okay, so you can get the results, the commission that you want. And another bonus that you get from me when you join me in OLSP is you will get from me 2,000 Facebook posts that you can use on your feed, and it's free. Okay, this bonus is free from me, and this is very powerful when you want to to get more eyeballs and more traffic from your Facebook, to generate more leads and traffic, organic traffic. So you will get the 2,000 Facebook posts also when you join me in OLSP. Okay, so again, you join me, we go through your Facebook, I see what you can improve, give you my recommended tips, and your success is my success, so I'm here to help you to succeed. And let me know. I will leave my Facebook address under this video. Feel free to reach out to me, and I will help you to succeed. And yes, you need to it's a very simple system, very powerful system, but you need to take actions. Like everything in life, you need to take action if you want to see good results. And I'm here to help you and support you all the way. Okay, and my last tip before I sign off: don't promote on Facebook. I see a lot of affiliate marketeers and network marketers doing this. Don't promote a lot of programs at the same time. You confuse your audience, and you won't get the results that you want. That's why I stick only with OLSP, and I only promote OLSP. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Cheers.